Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python language in laptop, updated. Begin by installing Python and a code editor, then create a virtual environment and run a simple Hello World script. Next, practice with small projects, read official docs, and use interactive shells for quick tests. Schedule short daily sessions and track progress with milestones so you build confidence and consistency while avoiding overwhelm. Start with core concepts like variables, lists, loops, and functions, then move on to modules and file I/O with practical examples. Pair reading with coding challenges and small projects to reinforce learning and debug habits. Incorporate version control early, commit often, and review code to see improvement. Rotate topics weekly to keep momentum and focus on one project until it reaches a usable state for real feedback. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and free up time to focus on learning Python, and it pairs nicely with productivity habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, give it a look. Now let's get back to the video. Install helpful tools like pip for packages, Jupyter for interactive experiments, and linters for cleaner code. Explore libraries that match your goals, for example Pandas for data or Flask for web apps, and follow official docs to learn best practices. Supplement learning with video tutorials, coding platforms, and community chats to get feedback. Keep a learning journal to record bugs and solutions for future reference and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.